An EV battery can cost you $20,000, a hybrid, maybe $3,000, but here's what nobody tells you sometimes. The cheapest battery becomes the most expensive mistake. Most people think battery replacement is simple. They believe EVs are expensive, hybrids are cheap, and plug-in hybrids sit in the middle. But real ownership doesn't work like that, because battery cost is not just about price. Let's break this down using real-world numbers. EV full electric. The battery replacement cost is from $12,000 up to $25,000. The lifespan is between 10 to 20 years, while degradation is from 1 to 2% per year. Sounds terrifying. But most owners never replace it. For each EV hybrid, the battery replacement is between $2,000 to $5,000. The lifespan is between 8 to 12 years. This is much cheaper, but replaced more often. While PHEV plug-in hybrid, the battery replacement is between $5,000 to $12,000, and the lifespan is between 8 to 15 years. It is in the middle ground, but also the most misunderstood. So yes, EV batteries cost more, but cost alone doesn't tell the full story. Here's the twist. The cheapest battery often fails sooner, and the most expensive battery is rarely replaced. Hybrid battery cycles constantly. Charge, discharge, charge, discharge. That constant cycling wears it out faster. Here is the contrast. EV batteries, they're bigger, less stressed, and heavily protected by software. So while hybrid batteries are cheaper, you may replace them twice in the same time. An electric vehicle needs none. But the real problem is worse in plug-in hybrids. Plug-in hybrids sound perfect on paper. Electric for short trips and fuel for long trips. But here's the hidden problem. You're maintaining an electric system and a petrol system. If you don't charge regularly, that expensive battery becomes dead weight. This is the cost scenario. The scenario in 10-year ownership. Electric vehicle, there is no replacement needed and have minimal maintenance only. While HEV, the one battery replacement can cost $3,000. While PHEV, the battery degradation, inflation, maintenance, the possible replacement is $8,000. PHEVs don't just cost more to fix. They cost more if you don't use them properly. Why this happens? Smaller batteries can cause higher stress and mixed usage can cause inefficient cycling. The owner behavior is the biggest factor. The battery isn't the problem. Your usage is the problem. So which one actually costs more? Not the electric vehicle, not the hybrid, it's the one that doesn't match your lifestyle. Here is now the final takeaway. EVs best for long-term simplicity. HEVs reliable but predictable replacements, while PHEVs powerful but risky if misused. The biggest battery mistake isn't buying the wrong car. It's not understanding how you use it. And in the next video, I'll show you how 2-stroke engines more reliable than the 4-strokes one. It's complexity versus reliability.